Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to stabilize shaky video in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, import your video and go to Effect panel. In the search bar, type Web Stabilizer. You will see under Video Effect in Desert. Now drag and drop the Web Stabilizer effect onto your shaky clip. Premiere will automatically start analyzing your footage and you will see blue progress bar on your clip. Once it's done, your video will stabilize automatically. If you want to adjust how strong the stabilization is, select the clip and go to Effect Control panel. Under Web Stabilizer, you can tweak the smoothness setting, lower values for more natural look and higher values for extra stability. And that's how you can stable any shaky video easily in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.